Hi guys, welcome back to my channel the iTech Trader. Guys, today's in this video I am going to share this smartphone specification. So you can see this is the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this smartphone I have buy today. So I will share in this video this smartphone specification and features. So let's watch the full video. Guys, I am unboxing this smartphone. You can see I am opening the cover. Wow. This is the Bowser. Price 17,999 in our Indian rupees. This is the back cover, you can see. I'm saying this is a hollow white color. You can see this is the hollow white color. This smartphone is comes with rear camera 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and the front camera is 20 megapixel for selfie. IPS LCD display. Screen size is 6.53 inch. Screen resolution is 1080 into 2340 pixel. Touch screen. You can see the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro 128GB ROM and 6GB RAM smartphone is run on Android B9. That means Pie operating system. The phone is powered by the octa-core 2.05 GHz octa-core processor, dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55 processor. It runs on the MediaTek Helio G90 chipset. So it has a 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Graphic card Mali G76 MP4. This smartphone is comes with a design. So you can see with a build material, back cover is big Gorilla Glass, thickness is 8.8 mm, wide is 76.4 mm, weight is 200 grams, waterproof. Yes, this smartphone is plus proof. Height is 161.7 mm. So this smartphone is a 3 variant color. You can see gamma green, hollow white and shadow black. Guys, this smartphone is comes with IR remote control option. Also you can see IR remote control option. So this IR remote control option is working or not, I will try. I will check. So guys, you can see this is the tools option. I'm clicked on tools. This is the IR remote control icon. So click on this. So this is the Sony Bravia smart TV. So I'm at this smart TV Sony. You can see this is the power on off button. So click on this power on off button. Yes, this smart TV is a power off. Again press. You can see this smart TV is again power on. So thank you guys. So guys, the remote control option is working. You can see you can easily use smart TV control with this smartphone. Guys, the camera quality is best. So you can see you can also capture for a YouTube video also. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Guys, I am testing now with this AC. You can see I am opening this tools option. This is the MI. You can see you can add this this is the Godrej Ion. So add this Godrej Ion. This is the AC option. So search the Godrej. So click on this power on. You can see that AC is power on. can see. Again click on this power off. As you can see, this is Sony TV. You can see, shut down. Power on.